We are playing a modified version of the San Mustafa wargame Lasalle 2nd Edition. This game is the introductory scenario with more troops and on a larger table. We will have 6 players playing the game. This is the end of turn 1. Both sides deployed their cavalry on the French right side. The village in the middle is the major objective to the scenario, and there is a woods beside the village. The Austrians moved first, closing along the whole front, with the French center advancing towards the village. And this is turn 2 of the Lasalle game, again from the French point of view. The engagement in the center. French Legere and de Bend going into the woods, not a rule in Lasalle, and a cavalry stalemate. On turn 3, the cavalry are still facing off against each other. The French center has lost a battalion. In the woods, the face-off is also continuing, and on the French left, the Austrians have placed a Grenzer unit in skirmish order as well. Okay, there was a cavalry fight this turn. The Austrians have lost 1 regiment, and the French actually recovered all of the damage done to them. In the town area, Mike's last brigade is being chewed up, and his 1st brigade is down to just the artillery battery. Herb's guns have moved up to try to help. In the woods, we still have a standoff between the de Bend and the Austrians in line, with a lot of skirmishers in between. And over on the far flank, not much is going on, except the Austrians keep losing. The French, retaining the initiative, charged at the start of the turn, and placing 2 French regiments against 1 Austrian, break the Austrian regiment. Around the town, the French center is down to 1 battalion plus an artillery battery that evaded and is off the table. The troops in the woods did move closer, but the only combat is from their skirmishers. The French left has stayed in place fighting with their skirmishers, and the Austrians have advanced their brigade towards the French. This is turn 7. The French cavalry charged and removed the last of the Austrian cavalry. That was their first action for the turn. The Austrians then went to the town and charged with 1 infantry unit, which failed to win and fell back. And then the French fired back, not killing the Austrian battalion, and then the French fired, not destroying the French battalion. The French battalion then walked away from the fight. In the woods, it's just still a stalemate. And on the far left flank, the French attacked with 1 battalion, or fired with 1 battalion, doing no damage. The Austrians rallied, removing hits on both of the Grenzer units, and then the French moved their front battalion back slightly and moved their rear battalion into range, which fired, destroying 1 Grenzer unit. And that ended the game. The Austrians have lost. The Austrians had taken the town, but that wasn't sufficient to win the game.